अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 5 from Madani Qaida Tanween. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is tanween? Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. A letter which has tanween on it is called munawwan. In fact, tanween is a noon sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why tanween sounds like noon sakin. For example, Hamza to zabar an, Hamza to zer in, Hamza to pesh un, an, in, un. How do we spell tanween? Spell out the example of tanween as follows. Meem to zabar man, meem to zer min, meem to pesh mun, man, min, mun. Sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar. Do not pronounce it during spelling. Let's see the example of tanween. To two zabar qan, fa two zer qin, fa two pesh qun, qan, qin, qun. This is the example of tanween. Inshallah, coming videos we will learn more example of tanween. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.